Hello students, welcome to Dimpy's tutorial. Hello students, bahai tong mainarok, kakai tum no kaham na tong na, sang tini kaisa katal chapter porne omong ka reproduction in plants. All chapter belai kon important tang himanda all chapter no saimana ji reproduct na plants sa bandi ki reproduction ang. Omong sekang nong jodi ane channel katal hangai, ano subscribe khanta bogdi, nong bagai hosho katal katal videos tu tamu tabuk start khene. With a topic netama reproduction. The production of new individual from their parents is known as reproduction. Mane kais oba parents ne hote je besa ongkrman hin bisa phaimani o process no hunjago reproduction. যেমন bukhangni hoite bini jikonde chara phaikya. Chini parents jong hoite jeng phaikya teyang dikai. Modes of reproduction. Most plants have roots, stem, and leaf. These are called vegetative parts of the plant. Vegetative part tam hunjak jeta roots, yarang, stem, bedek, say balai na hunjak. Reproductive part ka tam hunjak flower perform the function of reproduction in plants. Flower are the reproductive part. Jeta hoite buthai ongko. Cái flower hoite buthai ongko bagai flower hunjak reproductive part ka as a plant ni. There are two types of reproduction. Asika tongo asexual, tika tongo sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, plant can give rise to new plants without seed. Kabung rom di jeng kaisa khumni, kabung di rose gulab ni jeng kaisa buphang nahaka. Ngai jeng omono kanya ni ngai jeng tangwain omoni just stem no jeng rawi. Teka zaga ko kai rika gamo asai ka. Gamo jago asexual reproduction. Mane kuno busli by asaya. Whereas in sexual reproduction, a new plant are obtained from seed into sexual reproduction. Okay, busli by ang kormano. Jemon tabugrom di ukom daming panangka. Tabuk rom di moso. Moso rom pisibag busling hodi si borok asay bong chararo. Daplay say bad baki je pumpkin omoro. Next topic kita pornai asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained without production of seed. Asexual katamu jeta seed by asaya যেমন কোন একটা গোলাপ ফাংনাং বেড একটা নাই কাই রেখা এই আমি কি আছে মানে যোগ asexual reproduction মানে seed তৈরি by. Obviously tongo vegetative propagation. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from root, stem, leaves, and bud. Chúng nó sama kai bed cái hoite kan asai kan. Balai ni hoite kan asai kan. Kung একটা ইয়ারং হতে পানা আছে কি anti ke ase man hunjago vegetative propagation. Oro kaisa example hai amo gulabu phanga amo jeng kaisa berek na hari sen kai kha. Ni kai kita mo bin note amo hunjago note. De u chikon tete je balai chikon tete ase man hunjago bud. Amo o area no hunjago o area pura no hunjago exile. Tabu o nai di exile man tamo point of attachment of the leaf at the node. O node je attach hunjago exile o area no. Omo kai to bud o omo hunga kai exile. Leaves which develop into shoot tarpore omo shoot o convert thango mane chikon bed ko convert thango. These buds are called vegetative bud omo na jago thango vegetative buds. A bud consists of a short stem around which immature overlapping leaves are present. Bud ni gana gini jita omo kai immature mane kili belai ro bono surround khai toni jak. Vegetative buds can also give rise to a new plant. Omon hoide singode omon skadi alkaga kari khanda tai. Omon hoide bo tatal kaisa new plant development. Tabung long nipo nai edi or alu. Jeng jeng pun alu no onek din ton bum. Bam deu tu mix okan ton ya ketang na alu hoide chikon anti om kada ba. De omon singode rawi kari hai kinto omon hoide bo alu asai nai. Ada bo same rosun bo same no. Bryophyllum kita mo sprout leaf plant has buds in the margin of leaf. Bryophyllum মানে যেখানে বেলাইতে যে আছে মানে ই কারণ নাই ইকো যে বেলাইতে তেও চিকন বেলাই আছে মানে হঞ্জাগো bryophyllum তেও আমাকে নিউ প্লান্টস আছে মানে ওরা সাজাকা যেটা সিড বাই আছে আমাকে থেকে স্লো কিন্তু আমাকে সিডলেস আমাকে সিড বাই আছে আপনো অনেক দরি ভাবাত আছে the new plants are exact copies of their parent plant as they are produced from a single parent. Ang musnang di asexual reproduction কিন্তু single parent ni hoite ase যেমন গোলাপ bukhang hoite jengke rawi bini bedekat langai jeng ase যেমন tamo kahi single parent ni hoite no tekese ketalekta new plant grow ongkha. Budding. Yeast can be seen only under a microscope. These grow and multiply every hour if sufficient nutrients are made available to them. Tabo yeast ni singpurman jekhane jeng bread reproduction cái gì is ya da active is o is ka tamo de ko zemo ti ko tung te shom ko ti ko tung chi ni ti ko kho ki sa roi sin jodi ko kho wi to ni kha ada kon tran bagai kita ngai pura saka saka chun chun ke yeast nung jang ngai omo hai budding ni kaisa important example tinok onu emang khana iko o picture iko mo kha yeast mo chun te ke de mo la aste aste kuma tu jang ka se kya mo yeast cell of hadan na lago तब आस्ते आस्ते तताल बटन खा मन जो डेवलपिंग पार्ट तब तो के changing up in structure मन जो new part तब आस्ते मन है चिकन चिकन बटन का मतलब change of button लो तो वो किंतु exam अनेक फाइव से reproduction of yeast by budding और diagram draw खाली नहीं the small bulb-like projection coming out from the yeast cell is called bud कमल चिकन चिकन आते मतलब जब bulb-like structure और मन जो को bud a large number of yeast cells are produced in a short time from somewhere no 5-6 meter अनेक गुमा आते मन Ting no jadi yeast no kam kai na ha kai microscope na ha kai sente bo kam kai no ang no picture phuno giri wano tola bo tabung next topic kita mo fragmentation among kai bonu jak algae wo algae sing bonu jak jekha tui aro ro tui ni kita basan onek green color to mani je pukki ro among ka algae water and nutrients are available algae grow and multiply rapidly by fragmentation among kita mo kicham hoite sabai sabai je kungal thangani among jago fragmentation mane sabai jak This process continues and they cover a large area in a short period of time. Mina paro je pun mukha na wati puro ko nang kisa dry season roko. Omo phat jaga na kintu purong thago algae. Je o je uke ro kisa green to mani side o je ko wati phai puro mong na ya pukita pura green nang ni thangna ke mo hai algae ni bagi. Omong ka spirogyre ni example spirogyre ko kaisa algae no je puro quarter class thanai jemon college or nai ar puro practical ma khai pintu. Tui ni hoite se ngandi kai ang bo je puro college tom puro ma khai ka. Tui ni hoite tui no khale khai ku pon ni hoite panang kha je dam sing ganan tin ni je tui khetoni tui no phan kale khai oma microscope na hai kai se ngandi kai structure no omong ka spirogyre mo ka chigon chigon algae sang mo ka lo ki phano tui yo kuma tong mo hula aste aste mo thakawo spread ni khang Next topic is the spore formation. Fungi on a bread piece grow from spores which are present in the air. Tabuk among the best example is bread. Nang bread no jepru chai awi nang phatar hai toni dikha. Ngi sang tam nang na du tin poi lo ufu no yada ba. Tabuk lebu khano kaisa no song tong hangi lebu sang group no yada ba e among the spore formation. Ane fungi or fungi grow khata. When spores are released, they keep floating in the air. Jeffrey jong omono fu khai pan tiyo phan di khang ka tang nai floating thanai. Iko nong the best example nong lugen mang khana ikwan ike grow ongo. Omong ka bin hypha, omong ka sporangium, omong ka spores. Mo chigon. Omong no practical but nong nijin khai man jebu bread no pha to nei han pin no. Kika pur pur ngita pur green color emon jebu no grow butang mangai nong biya ko no nong je spores nang thanai. Te omo spore formation kaisa kuchu plants ho no jemon fern na tam hina ko vai multiplying to ha anti chigon tong bini mane green ka lage chigon balayan ka tong amon jogo sorai amon na poro ka than kai nok ebo ma kon on Spores are asexual reproductive bodies. Spores are kaisa asexual reproductive part. Each spore is covered by a hard protective pore to withstand unfavorable conditions such as high temperature and low humidity. Je ang nong no plan ni na example nai omo je fern ni je spore no nang tang nai ka krak nai क्योंकि bini je hatani je covering bini disi ni je spore no protect khayo high temperature hoite satung mati hoite pura protect khayo bagai na hatani je layer no harden Plants such as moss and ferns also reproduce by means of spores. Probok into o spore banyak bong ni babuk bong ni je part ni kaisa spore sunna hari agatak roga khilari kan ko jangan bong te kaisa setan new plant grow online. Next topic kita mo sexual reproduction. Sang azalti sang asexual reproduction pod ka ka buzi ka babuk sumane sexual reproduction. Stamens are the male reproductive part and pistil is the female reproductive part. Kaisa flower hosmai duita part tungo kaisa nge stamen mo male pistil nge female babuk sang nai nei. No nungi mang khana ni mo sakan jogo stigma. Omo kai omo je kasaka ke stigma omo je danan handa ko style o kuku jogo enter nge omo ni je dandan jogo filament omo to pura pattern omo puran jogo pistil enter nge stamen nge male part omo nga male part omo pura female part omo calyx ovary omo stem Flower which contain either only pistil or only stamen are called unisexual flower. যেখানে pistil hayake stamen jebong keha tongnai ongno jabu unisexual. Flower which contain both stamen and pistil are called bisexual. Kaisa flower stamen bo tongnai pistil bo tongnai ongno jabu bisexual. Corn, papaya, and cucumber produce unisexual. Ozakai, kaisa pistil hagi kaisa stamen sim tongo. The mustard, rose, petunia, orokai, pistil, the stamen duita tongo. Stamen okai tam tam tongo madi, ikomo. Anther, filament, kasi no semua kai. The pistil ko tam tongo madi. Kakan stigma, jago style, abin night hawk, nedo jago style. Japan jago ovary. Ovary bising ko sangre ko rai nei ovary ko sangre chon man da ba jago ovary. Nung ka pura pistil. Kin jago phayon diagram draw khai di nei. Bisexual male and female unisexual flower may be present in the same plant or in the different plant. Bisexual unisexual flower kaisa bukhong pa nungano haike different bukhong pa nungan. Another contain pollen grains which produce male gametes. Jeta pollen grain geta am kai male gamete produce kai. Epistil consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Ovary contains one or more ovules. The female gamete or egg is formed and in an ovule. जे ovule होता है वो female gamete produce होंगे जेता वो male होता है जिससे मन होता है male gametes produce होंगे. In sexual reproduction and male and female gametes fuse to form a zygote. Sexual reproduction होता है वो male की female gamete संगे भाई fuse होंगे ovary हो और बाद से zygote form होंगे. Next, pollination. Pollen grains have a tough protective coat which prevents them from drying up. Since pollen grains are light, they can be carried by wind or water. Insects visit flower and carry away pollen on their bodies. Some of the pollen land on the stigma of a flower and of the same kind. The transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of a flower is called pollination. Pollination phu tam ang je anther je male homon je pollen din thai kala yu stigma ang ke female yo za thang fusion gai omo anther kin du no ba phan kalai manu hai ki in sai ba phan kalai man ta ka omo thang gai kalai yi asa presi the fertilization is the process almost start. Tamu support like fertilization. The cell which result after fusion of the gametes is called a zygote. Jepru Aisa korom diomonadi. Pollen gain thanga or ovary was asli. Thangai koronadi. Hamil kalaika get all the form one jago zygote. Jepru fusion by Kapru. Ang form zygote form go bozaga ovary. The process of fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote is called fertilization or for a process no hanjabu fertilization. The zygote develop into an embryo. তারপরে ও zygote যে form মানে ও আস্তে আস্তে embryo develop মানে আস্তে আস্তে fruit formation start. Fruits and seed formation. After fertilization, the ovary grows into a fruit and other parts of the flower fall off. যেটা ovary হাঙ্কাই fruit convert হচ্ছে বাদ বাকি মানে রকাই ফাইন জলক লাইক থাকো. The fruit is the ripened ovary. The fruit umakai omongka ripe mane umunanjak ovary. The seed develop from the ovules. Ovule holi kata mo seed develop no seed asiste pomongka. The seed contains an embryo and close in the protective seed coat. The seed hakai omo aise embryo ni kangai iki of hatarolo aise hard cover to. Jengje ko rom dicen apricot phaja apple phaja hangai jengje. Tamroga bini seed Sokran bising mo je father hakai bini je embryo mo je crack cover. Tabi rong disen apple panjaka apricot panjaka seed person ngai কিন্তু bini embryo option bising mo tongai father ni hakai hard covering bising hakai embryo nok je tan la hakai haga takpan hakai nok nok nai je bini je bising ni je ko embryo omai je safe soft father ni hakai ko protective layer tami mane bola protect thai. Tabuk sangai seed dispersal. Seed dispersal mane kahi jago hai tega jago bhage thang. This happen because seed are dispersed to different places. Mane kahi jago hai tega सब place thang hotal bhage thang sangai ne oro. Seeds and fruit of plant are carried away by wind, water, and animal. First point. Some seeds are dispersed by water. Some seeds are dispersed by animals, especially spiny seeds with hooks which get attached to the bodies of animals and are carried to distant places. Some seeds are dispersed when the fruit bursts with sudden jerk. The seeds are scattered far from the parent plant. This happens in the case of castor and balsam. Asal zoti sumaiha the seed by Yazama Yazanawa transferring it home. Omo wala hangay norog, omo diagram, omo kindig ng monik payo. The nan puno the seed bunikin dispersal nai, okay? Drumstick ni seed. Drumstick mane moring puka sas nani. Omo seed, omo binuping. Hingga mo kay maple ni. Nung nung mang kana. Omo kindig ng mga draw makainay, jadi portion na hidak payo. Tinin bagi asal lo, norog jadi ono mo dit puno kanong pusian ni okay norog ano kindo comment section na comment kain manu. Omo kindo practical based chapter simo. So mo ang maybe by next 2 month pore no esa ang video pan di mano the pollination the fertilization or topic ni chigon chigon short video nai aprang te bo kam ke buji nai je on kon dike ang tam no hinjak nai tin bagi asik no tro jodi an video sa ja kai buino share khai di te ano like te subscribe ha ta pok di hambai